Good morning, friends. Today we will talk about the speech on 15th August. Let's start. Respected teachers, principals, sisters, children, honorable guests, and our dear friends, most welcome to you on the Independence Day. Because what is the importance of the Independence Day? In these days, our politicians, leaders have given sacrifice in the world history. Therefore, that's the reason we become freedom from the British rules in 1947. In this, remember, we celebrate today 76th Independence Day. In these occasions, have many leaders sacrificed, just like Mahatma Gandhi, Khudiram Bose, Bhagat Singh, Batukeshwar Dutt, so many extra. So therefore, we become on the historically freedom from the British rules, economically, politically, socially, and economically. Okay, let's friends. When our country became freedom from the British rules, our country has developed fastly and rapidly. Thus, we can say that in the field of electrically, mechanicals, science and technologies, in the social fields, and in the social medias, and our many friends. But instead of this, our country is left behind for many years, faces to many problems, just like labor work. Second is um, uh, second is first is labor work. Second is nepotism. But terrorism. So extra. Thus, we should take place on this occasion to support our Indian families and Indian publics to develop our country. For these reasons, take place and oath. So, thus, I will give my opinion in Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much for watching this videos. If you will like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, support me and encourage me, because I am speak to English. I want to speak English. I learn speak English. Therefore, if in this paragraph, if you get any error, please comment me. I will accept you and I will try to better it. Thank you very much for this watching video.